Hello kids, here are National Highways of India. Keynotes important points. National highways in India are major road networks that connect different parts of the country and facilitate the movement of goods and people. The National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) is responsible for the development, maintenance and management of national highways in the country. National highways in India are numbered and categorized based on their direction and connectivity. The numbers start with 1 and increases as you move from north to south and east to west. The total length of the national highway network in India is around 1,42,126 kilometers as of September 2021, making it one of the largest road networks in the world. National highways in India are built to high standards with multiple lanes, controlled access, and grade separated intersection in many sections. Some of the major national highways in India include NH1 Delhi to Attari, NH2 Delhi to Kolkata, NH7 Varanasi to Kanyakumari, NH8 Delhi to Mumbai, and NH44 Srinagar to Kanyakumari. National highways play a crucial role in promoting economic development by facilitating the transportation of goods and connecting major cities, industrial hubs, and ports. Many national highways in India are part of the Golden Quadrilateral and North South and East West corridors, which are mega highway projects aimed at improving connectivity and reducing travel time between major cities. The development and expansion of national highways in India have led to increased road safety measures, including the construction of flyovers, underpasses, and the implementation of toll plazas. The Government of India has been investing heavily in the development and upgradation of national highways through various programs and initiatives such as the Bharatmala Pariyojana, with the aim of further enhancing the road infrastructure of the country. Please can you like and subscribe us? Thanks and kind regards. Prachi Vashni Classes, Old Airport Road, Doha, Qatar.